Hello guys, welcome again to my channel, and in this video we will be doing a quick unboxing of my first ever 256GB microSD card. I bought this from PC Works Lazada last July 19th, and again I was surprised that the shipping was so fast and the item arrived yesterday. But since my address was at the office, so I got the item today because yesterday was a Sunday. I bought this 256GB Transcend for around 1,580 pesos, and I also bought 2 pieces of SanDisk 128GB MicroSD for 599 pesos each for my mom and dad, so we can save on shipping, which is 144 pesos. So before we begin the unboxing and test, let's do the intro. It's my Transcend 256GB microSD, and the 2 SanDisk which I already opened and put on my parents' cell phones. And before I continue, I forgot to mention that I already tore this morning because I wanted to legit check this card, because I found an info that you can search in their site for the authenticity of your microSD, which is here. You just input the serial number of your microSD found here at the back, and this will tell you that your card is legit or not. Here, this is the exact card. Okay, so you can see here, it is really Transcend because even my device says it. Is on Lineage OS custom ROM. It's LOS 18.1. So I'm on Android 11, by the way, and I wanted to get this dark theme since Android 8.1 doesn't have it. The write speed of this card. Let's go for my this folder. Let's try to copy to card. So let's test this on my computer and see how fast this writes. So for this first file transfer test, I have 11 gig worth of FLAC audio collections. So let's try. it's already about 9 PM past. So thank you for watching my video, my unboxing, and please hit that subscribe button and notification bell icon so you won't miss any of my content. Again, thank you for watching and see you on my next video.